Hello and welcome to SBC.
Today I want to show you how to slip out of contaminated gloves. I mean, imagine you have touched something disgusting like a nicotine flavored piece of electronic or someone's balls. Yeah. First of all, step number 1. Take him here and slip out of them. Just like this. And you see, it has rolled in completely. Next step, repeat the same thing here, whilst taking this one in your hand. You keep the one in your hand. And this way, you have only the rim outside. Now, you take it and you make a double knot in it. And now, even if you put it into the trash, the inside stays inside, the second glove is tucked inside, and it won't come out. So, that's how I dispose of contaminated gloves. Easy. And do not lay them on the table like I did it show before. Just keep it in the hand and twist it through. Yeah. It's not so easy if you are behind the camera. But yeah, that's how you do it. Hey, I am little glove man. I have some hair here. I have my head here. 2 armies. 2 legs and a monstrosity of a... Oh, let him get on. No, my God. It's longer than his legs. Oh, don't play with them if they are contaminated. Don't let them have a reaction. Yeah, that's how I dispose of contaminated gloves. And of course, don't throw them somewhere in some trash can. Put them in some special medical waste bin.